Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by securing your data and confirming accounts. First, backup contacts to iCloud or export a vCard to your computer so nothing is lost. Next, open Settings and tap your Apple ID to verify which accounts sync contacts: iCloud, Gmail, Exchange. Once done, decide whether you're resetting contacts only or the whole device. Turning off Find My iPhone may be required for full device resets. Proceed now to the Contacts and Account settings to take action. You will remove or resync the sources that supply contacts. Open Settings, tap Contacts, then Accounts. For each account that shouldn't provide contacts, toggle Contacts off and select Delete from My iPhone. This removes synced entries without touching other data on the account. If you prefer a clean slate, delete the account entirely. Its contacts disappear immediately. Once accounts are cleaned, you can re-enable desired syncing or add a fresh account to repopulate contacts from. Finish by re-enabling the specific account syncs you want so your contact list repopulates cleanly. After turning contacts back on for iCloud or another service, wait a minute for syncing. You'll see entries reappear. If duplicates or missing entries occur, resync the account or use a trusted contact cleanup app to merge duplicates. If things still fail, sign out of your Apple ID, restart the iPhone, then sign back in and toggle iCloud contacts. That often forces a full, correct resync.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.